Hello, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Weiss Financial Ratings. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Weiss Financial Ratings, what kind of information is available, and how to use some of the search features included in our subscription. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the library's A to Z list of databases. You'll find Weiss Financial Ratings on this list. Weiss Financial Ratings provides information about stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and more, along with consumer guides to various insurance products, health savings accounts, Medicare, and others. It also includes financial literacy information on things like managing debt, renting an apartment, student loans, and several others. This is the interface for Weiss Financial Ratings. At the very top of the page, you'll find the quick search where you can search for a company by name or ticker symbol. Below the quick search, you'll find the navigation menu where you can learn more about the website, access financial literacy tools, find investment and safety ratings, and search for articles. Just below that main menu, you'll find the dashboard menu with quick access to search and screener tools for stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and more. Also on the homepage, you'll find brief instructions on how to search and browse, quick links to navigation menu items, and stock and mutual fund information for the day. Let's look at some of the financial literacy tools, starting with the financial literacy basics. This page provides easy-to-understand guides on a variety of topics such as how to manage debt, renting an apartment and understanding renter's insurance, and calculating the cost of college and understanding student loans. Each of these guides can be read online or easily downloaded as a PDF by clicking on the image and selecting the Download button in the upper right corner. In addition to some of the basic guides, the Financial Literacy Tools section also includes consumer guides to topics like automobile insurance and health savings accounts, as well as free financial planning worksheets. Now let's explore one of the dashboards. For our example, we'll select the Stocks dashboard. From here, we can view information on the stock of the day, most active companies, and 52-week highs and lows. In the upper right corner are the search and screen options. The search page allows you to set up a basic search by company name or ticker symbol, rating, industry, and more. For example, we can quickly look at the list for the automobile industry and access more specific details per company, such as key statistics and rating history. This information can be downloaded using the Download Report button in the upper right corner. Let's go back to the Stocks dashboard and click on the Build a Screener option. From here, we can select from a list of common screens or add criteria to build our own. To build your own, just click on the Add Criteria button and then add as many of the available options as you'd like. For example, we'll choose Year Founded and limit the year founded to range from 2000 to current. We'll also add industry and choose utilities. Below the screen options, we can sort our list of results by any of the column headers. For example, we can sort our list to see the highest rated companies first. As before, you can click on a company name for specific details about that company and download the company report. If you need more help using Weiss Financial Ratings, click on the Help link in the upper right corner to access some basic tutorials such as the Screener Tips and Tricks tutorial or information on using the quick search. Now you know how to access Weiss Financial Ratings, what kind of information is available, and how to use some of the search features included in our subscription. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching!